After 5 years working for the federal government, combating narcotic smuggling at one of our busiest airports, I realized two things. One, we didn't have a specialized tool to extract hidden narcotics. And two, the homemade tool that we had to extract narcotics was very dangerous. It has no protection, right? And people carry it on their belts, the officers, where they get stabbed themselves or somebody could grab it and hurt them. That's when I started searching for the perfect tool for us that will help us combat narcotic smuggling. But I realized no company was interested in this. So that's when I decided to make my own tool. That's when I created the Tactical Secret Knife, which is the first knife that combines a straight and serrated edge with our industry-specific probe that has 3 extraction sites. So the Tactical Secret Knife is going to make any officer more effective and safe. They could easily handle 2 essential tools with one hand. The blade in one side is going to help them cut through anything the smugglers throw at them, and the probe is easily deployable and safely stores away inside the knife handle. So go to cazadorgear.com and get yours now.